Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Sana. I'm here to teach you active passive voice. Today is day 2 of our series. Today I will teach you present continuous tense. In my previous lecture, I taught you present indefinite tense, the passive voice. Okay, so let's get into the video. Active voice and passive voice are two different ways of constructing sentences based on the relationship between the subject and the object of the verb. Students, as you know, in active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action expressed by the verb and the object receives that action. The structure of an active voice sentences is usually subject plus verb plus object. As far as passive voice is concerned, in passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action expressed by the verb and the object becomes the focus of the sentence. The structure of the passive voice sentence is usually object plus verb plus subject. In passive voice, the emphasis is on the action rather than the doer of the action. It is often used when the doer of the action is unknown, unimportant, or when the speaker or writer wants to shift the focus of the recipient of the action. Okay, as you can see, what are the rules of present continuous tense passive voice? The very first step is SRM. Rule number 1 is SRM plus being. B-E-I-N-G. Being is used as helping verb in passive voice. As you know, we will use past participle. We will use past participle in passive voice of present continuous tense. Use of by and. Subject will take the place of object and object will come in the place of subject. Pronoun changes will be there. I will be changed into me, he into him, she into her, we into us, they into them, you. You will not change you. You will remain same. It, no change. It, name into name. No need to change these. Okay, let's start the examples. What we are doing, active passive voice present continuous tense. For example, she is crossing the sea. As you can see, she is our subject, is the helping verb, crossing is the main verb, the is the article, sea is object. As I explained to you, subject will take the place of object and object will come in the place of subject. Okay, she will be object then. In active voice, it plays the role of subject, but in passive voice, it will be object. So how we will change this? The sea. The sea is being crossed by her. She will be changed into her. Use of by will be there. And third form of verb. Past participle means we will use third form of the verb. Use of being along with is RM. With singulars we will use is. With plurals we will use are. The sea is being crossed by her. Another example. They are drinking water. They are drinking water. Water is being drunk by them. They will be changed into them. Use of third form of the verb is RM plus being. Okay, so water is singular. That is why I have used is. Another example. These were the affirmative sentences. Now negative sentence. She is not writing a letter. She is not writing a letter. This is example from the negative sentence. Letter is not being written by him. As you can see, is, are, am, not plus being. Alright. Another example. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we use helping verb in the beginning of the sentence in active voice as well as in passive voice. For example, are women washing the clothes? Are the clothes being washed by women? Interrogative, and now I will explain you the example of interrogative sentence. Are you not opening the door? At the end of the sentence, don't forget to put the question mark, both in active and in passive voice. Are you not opening the door? At the end, you can see the question mark is. Why I have used is? What is the reason behind this? Because door, the door is singular. Okay, that is why I have used the is. With singulars we will use is. With plurals we will use are. Is the door not being opened by you? At the end, question mark. Now interrogative pronouns. Which color is Sana liking? Which color is Sana liking? Which color is being liked by Sana? Okay students, I hope you will like this video. This was day 2 of active passive voice series. In my next lecture, I will explain you present perfect tense passive voice. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.